So today we are going to try and make a toy chest. What I have here are those fence panels, the cedar ones. I don't exactly have a full plan on how to do this, so I'm gonna build kind of as I go. I'm just gonna wing it. I've already measured the opening is 3 feet. That's as wide as I want to make this thing. I stack them together. I'm gonna cut them all at the same time on the miter saw. That way everything's exactly the same length instead of doing each board one at a time. Okay, so now we got our 2 stacks of 6 3-foot wide boards and the other stack of 6 of 22-inch wide. For 16 1/8 here, I'll probably cut it down to 15 3/4. That way it stops a little shy of the bottom because I got to put a floor in this. One side, and we just duplicate it. Okay, so as you can tell, I got the majority of the frame, the box part done. Here's my handles. I went ahead and cut a little notch out. I guess essentially like a handle to get in, but more for looks too, because there is going to be a slight overhang with the lid. Time for the floor. Let's lay them down and pray that it fits right on in there. Like butter. And now we're just gonna nail it all the way around the base of the bottom here, and then attach our top. So we'll try to put some hinges on here. So it opens and closes. It ain't terribly heavy. Most of everything is 1/2 inch except for the very bottom. That's really where the weight came from. For now, I'm gonna leave it rough. We're gonna see how it is upstairs. I'll put the toys in it and everything. I may end up sanding it smooth. For now, at least there's something that all the toys can go in and not be scattered everywhere. So I'm gonna carry it upstairs and try it out. Guys, if you would, like, share, and subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one. See ya!